Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the before and after gallery widget in Duda. To begin with, of course, make sure you're logged into your site and make sure you're in editing mode. We're going to move over to the left sidebar, click on Widgets, and in the search field, simply type before, and you'll quickly find the before and after widget. I'm going to drag that into a new row, and the widget will now open. On the Content tab, we're going to see our before image, a label for the image, alt text for the image, and those same choices for the after photo. I'm going to go ahead and load in our before photo. I'm going to leave it named before, and you can see that that will appear when you hover over. If you want to hide the label, simply toggle the eyeball, and that will hide the labels. And then I'm going to go ahead and add our after image. So I've got my before, my after, and my labels. If I click on design, there are, as usual, some design and aesthetic choices that you can make, from width and size to the typography of the labels and background colors and so forth. Putting this now in preview, you can see that you can drag the slide and see the after and see the before. And that's basically how the functionality works. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.